We are here with Greg Profrock at the Rumsey shelter. Hi Greg, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you doing?
Good, thank you. So, quick question. What are some of the security features of the Rumsey shelter?
Oh, it's a good question. I would say, first of all, we have the same durable stone walls that have always been here. So it's hard for someone to break through them. But maybe more importantly, where all the original windows have been removed and restored, there will be a very durable security screen, similar to what the New York City park system uses in their shelter houses. So we're expecting that the windows can't be broken into and that the panes of glass of the window won't be broken. So we think the windows will be especially secure. And then the new front door will have deadbolts and a security screen on its window as well. So we're just expecting the building to be really secure. The third part of that is lighting. That when there's bright light, people don't feel comfortable to stay there for a long time and try and hack through a door. So there will be lighting always on at night at the front door and also all around the building. Each side of the building will be lit all night long. The lights will be mounted up on the bottom side of the roof, shining mostly down, so there won't be bright glare going out to the neighborhood. But basically there should be bright light all night long so people will feel less comfortable about causing mischief.
Perfect, thank you so much.
You're welcome.